All right, today I'm going to show you how to use Woolite. This is for delicate clothes or clothes that you want to wash with the delicate cycle, which I'm going to show you on this Samsung washing machine, front-loading washing machine behind me or in front of you. I'm going to be using this because it has no harsh ingredients right here, and it keeps clothes, it says, looking like new. All right, so right here it comes with this small cap right here. It only uses a little bit of detergent. And on the back, let's read what it says right here before we get started so there's no confusion. All right, so right here it shows right here, hand wash. A lot of people hand wash. You fill up to the first line on the cap. For machine wash, fill above the second line. And I'm going to show you the second line when I open up the cap. It says machine wash directions, select gentle or delicate cycle. I'm going to be using the delicate cycle for this. Select cold water settings unless label instructs otherwise. Fill machine with water, pour Woolite with measuring cap, then add clothes following. Follow drying instructions on clothes. So this is a front-loading washing machine, so I'm not going to put it in the drum. I'm actually going to put it in the drawer. The detergent drawer is where I'm going to be putting the Woolite. All right, so we're going to get started with this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the clothing inside of the washing machine, and then I'm going to add the detergent, select the cycles, and then we can get rocking and rolling with Woolite. So let's get started with that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the clothing, I have clothing right here, and I'm going to put it inside of the washing machine. So I have a lot of clothing in here. Some of them are delicates. It's mostly a mix of clothing. And I'm going to place these within the wash machine. Let me go ahead and get all of this, expedite the process. I'm going to put it inside of the wash machine. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and shut the washing machine. And then I'm going to add detergent to the drawer and then select the cycle. All right, so let's do that. All right, so I have the drawer open. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to it. But for this machine right here, it has a compartment for liquids. You remove this if you're adding dry detergent. You add the cup for liquid. So what I'm going to do is, in a front-loading wash machine, I put it inside of the drawer. Now, in a top-loading washing machine, I would actually add it to the drum first. So inside of here, I'm going to fill it to the second line. If you look in here, you'll see that there's a second line. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this. Right here to wash my clothes. Fill above the second line. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the drawer. Now, once I added the drawer, you can add other things if you'd like. I'm going to actually add some fabric softener. This is Suavitel, right here, fabric softener. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the fabric softener compartment. Maybe just a little bit more. So I've added fabric softener to the compartment. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shut this, and then I'm going to go over to select the cycles. All right, so right here, I'm going to go ahead and turn powered on. So once it's powered on, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to switch the option to delicates. Okay, so that's selected. Now I want to do an extra rinse because I want to make sure the detergents are completely out. So I do the extra rinse. And maybe you can't do extra spin on delicates because they're delicates. Now with delicates, on this particular wash machine, it gives you the option of going all the way to warm. It has eco warm and it has warm. I'm just going to do it at the cold setting. Okay. It has option of low spin or no spin. I'm going to do low spin. And it has heavy delicates, light delicates, normal delicates. I'll do just the normal delicates. And so once I've selected all of this, I just simply come over to the start button, press start, and that is how you wash using Woolite detergent right here to wash delicate clothes. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.